What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and it is time to do iPhone 11 versus the world, at least my small world over here. I got some phones I want to compare it against for speaker volume and sound quality. So I'm going to do the Axon 10 Pro, the Note 10 Plus, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and then I'm going to do one bonus device. So let's start with the Challenger. You know what? Let's just go with the iPhone first. Let's just do this. Let me flip the microphone around and then we'll get this thing going. That's approximately 35 seconds. Now let's go with the Axon real quick. Alright, so what'd you think about it versus the Axon 10 Pro? Now, let's fire it up again. Let's go against the Note 9. Excuse me, the Note 10 Plus. Did I say Note 9? Wow. I'm reminiscing over here. Let's fire up the iPhone. Let's try it again. Approximately 30 seconds. Now let's go with the Note. That screen is beautiful. There it is next to the Note. How you feel about it with the Note? Let me get the OnePlus 7 Pro in here. Let's listen to the iPhone again. Alright, now let's hit a OnePlus. Gorgeous screen. Wow. So that's how the iPhone is stacking up against these phones right here. I mean, impressive, right? So I got a bonus device that I'm bringing in. I still have the mic facing down if you wonder why it sounds like a little bit of ways off, but let's get this thing going here with this other device. And we're gonna fire it up here. We're gonna listen to the iPhone one more time real quick. Now, let's bring in the Pixel 3a XL. Let's crank that volume up, see what we can do here. Woo! All right, now my voice is a little bit more clear. So that is how this phone stacks up against these devices for speaker quality. That's a lot, you know what I mean? Like that's pretty good. But how do you guys rank it? I want you to rank 1 through 5 if you can take the time to comment. Where do you place the iPhone 11 amongst all these phones with stereo speakers? Also, which one of these sounded the best of all of these 5 phones? You can rank them however you how you want to do it, 1 through 5, like 1 Galaxy Note, 1 Pixel, you know, iPhone number 3, iPhone number 1, you know, like that. You know what I'm saying? With 1 being the best. So take a second to take that in and do that for me, and I would really appreciate it. But nonetheless, here it is. The speaker battle with the iPhone 11. How was it? Thor, little baby Thor. I had to leave earlier, so I had to throw a little case on it. Baby Thor. Baby Thor. This purple. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on. I got to shout out. Let me shout him out real quick because I can laugh at myself, folks. Before we get out of here, I got to shout him out. He commented earlier, man. He had the best comment. I pinned his comment. MC2 Tech Reviews, man. He said, Jay Will made fun of the Aura Glow, then went out and bought the Barney edition of the iPhone 11. Man, I'm all about having fun, and I know he means well by that. And I'm just going to, I had to pin that comment on the other video because it was hilarious. This is the Barney edition right here. MC2 Tech Reviews. Much love, son. I had to give you a shout out on this one. I think it's funny because he's right. I told him, I ain't going to come back for that. You're right. I did kind of clown the Aura on the Note, and then I got the Barney edition. But in person, this doesn't look purple right now. It almost looks silver. Like on video, I don't know how it's coming across, but this looks silver right now. It only looks purple in certain lights. So anyway, it's your man Jay. What do you think about this video, man? What do you think about the iPhone 11? I think the speakers sound great, but personally, I don't think it's the best sounding up here. I don't think it's the loudest either, for sure. The Pixel 3a, I brought that in because that was going to be that little bonus for you. Tell me the Pixel 3a don't have no banging speakers, man. How do you rank them all, folks? It's your man Jay. I am out of here.